and welcome back to Dorm Room Cooking, and I'm Karen, and today we are making bagel bites with our Elite Gourmet Air Fryer. Now I know you can make these with the right ingredients, but today we're going to teach you how to do them frozen from the box before we jump ahead to that. For those counting your carbohydrates, about 4 pieces or 88 grams if you have a kitchen scale are 27 grams. So we are going to do the air fryer method. So it says preheat the air fryer, arrange the bagel bites in the tray, cook for 10 minutes, and then let them cool. So, all right, let's get going then. Let's see how these turn out. All right, so this is the bigger size box. There is a smaller box available in your freezer section of your grocery store. So you'll get more food out of this one, but the smaller box might fit better in your little mini fridge in your dorm room. There's also instructions on how to do it in the microwave and the toaster oven as well, or an oven, which you won't have in your dorm room, obviously. So we're preheating the air fryer for 3 minutes on 300. As soon as that dings, we'll get them in the air fryer. All right, it's almost ready to ding. And I wanted to point out, it comes with a little silver tray. This silver tray is for the microwave. If you're doing the air fryer, you just put them straight into the basket. All right, we're preheated. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna take it out of the plastic wrap. Do you need the scissors for that?
I might. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. All right, we'll take the tray out, and it says to put up to 9 of them in, but you're gonna only have 8, which is fine. Oh, make sure. I'm gonna do this. I didn't realize the tray wasn't laying flat.
I just pushed it.
Oh, was it hot?
No, I did it with a scissors.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Now arrange the bagel bites so that it's cheese and pepperoni side up. I'm not sure how many we'll be able to get in this. I wouldn't crowd them too much. Don't force them, in other words, don't force them to fit. We might only be able to get 5 in there. And
I can fit number 1.
you think so?
No, maybe not.
Okay. All right, so how many minutes does the box say?
10.
10. All right, well, let's put them in. Set the timer. The temperature is already set at 300. Okay, we'll see you in 10 minutes. All right, they're done. We're gonna pull the tray out, see how we did. All right, I wanna see how hot they are. They look to cook. Let's see, that is reading
around 170 to 190.
okay. All right.
Yeah, it's changing a lot. Though.
Does it feel too hot to touch? Put your finger up to it.
It feels pretty hot.
Okay, I have some tongs. Well, it's good. That means they're cooked through. So I have some tongs if you want to take them out that way. Remember, about 4 of them, unless you want to weigh them. was 27 carbs. So if you make 8 of them, that would be 54 carbs. And you got yourself a nice little meal or snack, if you consider that a snack. All right, so you made 5 out of 8, so put 3 more in and go enjoy your lunch.